Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to reset or reinstall your Windows PC. So first thing you want to do is to press on the start menu here and then go here on the search bar and write reset, and then you have to choose this button, reset this PC. We press here. After this we press on the reset PC, and then you want to choose if you want to keep your files or if you want to remove everything. Personally, everyone should always keep his files, so let's press keep my files, and we will wait a little bit, and then we will choose cloud download because we want to reset the PC and we want to remove every virus in our PC. And then it will tell us that we're going to wait for the Windows download, and then it will reinstall the PC after downloading a new copy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like the video. Goodbye.